Welcome everyone to another episode of the mini build series. In today's video we're actually going to check the mini for any boost or vacuum leaks, and to do so we're going to use this smoke leak detector that I have purchased off Amazon. So let's unbox it and let's see if it's worth the money and if it will have any leaks. The total cost of the detector was 120 euros including shipping, and it's actually the most advanced, let's call it, version of the series that includes a pressure gauge to check the differential pressure, which is another method to determine if you have any leaks. The first impressions are actually pretty good. We have the main smoke machine with the pressure gauge, another selector for the density of the smoke. We have this nice bladder which attaches to hoses of various sizes, another attachment, another hose, the main hose, and the battery power connector. Let's add some baby oil to the machine and test it out. Naturally, the fill port is on the top. There's actually a note that says to add 20 milliliters of test oil. There's actually a note that says to add 20 milliliters of oil for the first time. And there's actually a fill gauge on the side showing the minimum and maximum level. The next step is to take it on the car. We should be able to get the bladder adapter to fit right in here on the intake hose. The adapter seems to fit perfectly. Now I'm going to turn on the ignition, place something on the throttle pedal in order to keep the throttle body open for the smoke to flow nicely through the throttle body, charge pipe, supercharger, intercooler, intake manifold, into the engine. All the smoke comes out from the hose here, but I actually do not have the right size O-ring to insert, so I put a generic one. I need to replace that and we should be good to go. I have thoroughly checked everything on the intake side. Apart from the leak that was obvious from the beginning on the Y junction of my oil catch tank, there are actually no other leaks. Finally, we're going to do the same procedure on the exhaust side. I have already plugged one of the exhaust tips with the provider adapter. I'm going to insert the bladder adapter into the other tip and get under the car and check if there are any leaks. We actually have an exhaust leak as well. My verdict on MrCartool smoke leak detector is that it's a quality product, especially in this price range. Keep in mind that I was operating continuously in a garage without air conditioning with temperatures well above 30 degrees Celsius, and I had no issues whatsoever. So yeah, we'll definitely recommend it. Currently I'm a bit behind the schedule with the completion of the mini, as I've been quite busy with my work life. There are still a number of things to do before it's ready for the body shop. Hopefully by the end of September it should be good to go. To close with, thanks so much for watching the videos and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one. Take care.